Hey everyone, this is going to be a very quick video and a very useful one for you. If you own a Brother printer or printer fax or printer scanner or multifunctional printer like the big ones in the offices, and you would like to save big money on supplies, cartridges, toners, different refill kits and supplies that match exactly the Brother brand, then you got to the right place. I've added a link. If you look down, scroll down into the description area below, you'll be able to click on a link that will take you to a place you can save up to 75%. It's a company called 123 Inkjets. They have great products, great services. I've used them myself, highly recommended, and highly compatible, which means that you can buy the original one if you want. You can pay full price in your Best Buy, your Amazon, etc. Or you can get something that either the original or the compatible one, which is basically one to one, at a fraction of the price, and it just works. So the link in the description area below, click on it. You'll see exactly what this is all about. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy it.